just took the last parking space.
This is our order. Dami. Fried rice with shrimp.
What of that stuff is hot right there.
That's a lot. Wait a second. That's the one where we ate. So hi guys. So kanina kumain kami sa Vietnamese restaurant. Naghihag si Mr. ng kanina kami galing doon. So kinain lang namin yung fried rice siya na may shrimp at may egg. So talaga pong nabusog kami. At ano pa ba yung in-order namin? Yung parang nakarap siya sa paper na food. So yun lang yung kinain namin. Pero okay naman, masarap naman siya. First time ko lang kumain sa Vietnamese na restaurant, yung Vietnamese food. So dito kasi sa Las Vegas, marami po kasi ditong Asian food. Kaya kung kayo ay makakapasyal dito sa Vegas, marami po kayong mapupuntahan na restaurant na talaga pong magugustuhan nyo. So yun lang po. Bye bye. God bless you all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Glendolyn Hill in Paradise, a Filipino Journey. Bye!